In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly schedule a meeting using Outlook, ensuring you find the best time slot that suits everyone's busy schedule. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues across the hall or across the globe, Outlook's scheduling tools streamline the process, making it easier to get everyone on the same page. Let's dive right in by opening Outlook and getting started with creating a new meeting. Once you're in the Outlook app, you'll want to navigate to the calendar and select the option to create a new meeting. This sets the foundation for organizing the meeting details, such as the agenda, participants, and most importantly, the date and time. Now here's where Outlook's unique features come in handy. To make sure everyone finds a suitable time, look for the scheduling poll feature. This might also appear as integrated add-ins like Find Time, depending on your Outlook version. These tools are incredibly useful because they allow you to propose multiple time slots, giving your attendees options to choose from. When you use this feature, you not only specify the dates and times, but also show consideration for everyone's availability. After setting up the time slot options, it's time to send out the poll to your participants. This step is crucial, as it enables you to collect their responses and preferences. Once your attendees receive the poll, they can easily vote on the options that work best for them. It's a great way to gather feedback without the back and forth of emails. Not only does this save time, but it also ensures that you're respecting everyone's time commitments, leading to increased participation and engagement. Once you've collected all the responses, you can then analyze the results to determine the most convenient time. This is when the magic happens. You look at all the votes and see which time slot has the majority of participants available. The tool will highlight the best option for you, simplifying the decision-making process. Once you've identified this optimal meeting time, all that's left for you to do is finalize and schedule the meeting. By using Outlook's scheduling tools, you've now effectively orchestrated an event that's convenient for everyone. It's a smart way to manage meetings, minimizing misunderstandings and maximizing efficiency. Whether it's for professional networking, project discussions, or team building, these features ensure that you're set for a productive and well-coordinated meeting. Thanks to Outlook's intuitive design, finding a time that works for everyone doesn't have to be a stressful task. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll apply these steps the next time you're setting up a meeting. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy meeting planning, and I'll see you in the next video.